Hello, and thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to cover how to build a basic website using the WordPress open source content management system. In a previous project, a team I was working with did a website redesign for a small public library using Google Sites. This is a picture of the original site, and this is the redesigned homepage. While Google Sites is a great way to get a website up and running quickly and inexpensively, it has very limited functionality when compared to other content management systems such as WordPress. So let's expound upon this project by building a similar site using WordPress. We will start with a fresh install. If you have not yet installed WordPress on your own computer or hosting service, simply pause this video and take a look at the links provided below for instructions on how to do so. As you can see, a fresh install of WordPress looks pretty bland. It's tempting to want to start by working on the look and feel of the site, but first, let's work on moving our content into the new site. There are two basic content types in WordPress: blog posts and static pages. The ability to add a blog to the site would likely be a very useful addition, but since the current site is a static website, let's focus on creating pages. There are two ways to navigate to the page content editor. You can hover over New in the menu bar at the top and select Page from the drop-down menu, or select Dashboard from the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner, then go to Pages and Add New. This is a WYSIWYG content editor, or what you see is what you get. You will notice that there's a toolbar that looks very similar to one that you might see in a word processor. It has buttons such as bold, italic, strike through, alignment options, and if you click the button at the end, it will expand to have even more options. There's even an undo button in case you make a mistake. If you want to make a hyperlink, you can simply highlight the text that you want, click the link button, type in the desired URL, and press Add Link. Since we already have a website that has content, we will copy over one of the pages that has already been created. Let's try the services page. We can simply copy all the text and then paste it into the new WordPress document. This method is quick and easy. It even copies over the hyperlinks, but it could cause problems since the text was previously formatted using another platform. To minimize this, we can select all of the text and click the Clear Formatting button. Another method would be to toggle the Paste as Text button. Click OK on the warning message, and then paste it in. This will paste the text in with no formatting at all, and then you can go through and format it to your liking. Now that the page is ready to go, we can click the View Page button to see what it will look like once it's published to the website. That's looking pretty good. So now we just need to give the page a title. We'll call this one Services, and then we can save it as a draft for later editing, or click Publish to save it and publish it to the website. Once it's published, we can see our list of published pages by clicking Pages in the menu to the left-hand side. To add an image to a page, we simply need to place the cursor where we want the image to appear and click the Add Media button. Since I haven't actually uploaded any files yet, there's nothing to select in our media library, so we need to click Upload Files, select Files, and navigate to where the image is located on our local machine. Select it and click Open. Once the image is uploaded, a thumbnail will be displayed. So we need to select it, making sure that there's a check in the upper right hand corner, and then click Insert into Page. Now I've created several pages for the website, but when I visit the home page, there's no way to access any of the pages. So now we need to create a menu system. We can do this by going to the menu shortcut link here, or going to Dashboard, Appearance, and Menus. Then we need to name the menu. We'll call this one Main Menu. And click Create Menu. We want to put a check in the box next to Primary Menu, and then a check in all of the boxes of the pages that we want to be a part of the menu system. Then click Add to Menu, and we can rearrange these pages in any order to match the order that we'd like them to appear on the menu. And indenting any of them will create submenus. Now we'll save the menu, and then we'll visit our site again. And here's our menu system. And there's the submenus that we created. I've reordered the menu items to more closely match the order of the menu items on our model site, but there's still some menu items that are missing, such as this catalog search link here, which goes to an external link. To do this in WordPress, we'll need to create a custom link. We'll return again to the menu editor and click on Custom Links, and in link text we'll type catalog search, and then we'll paste the URL that we want the link to go to, and then click Add Menu Item, and it shows up here at the bottom, but we want it at the top. Then we save menu and visit the site, and there it is. Before we move on to choosing a theme, let's add a link to the main menu that links back to our home page. We can do this easily from the menu editor by selecting View All and just choosing the home link and Add to Menu. We'll save it, and now when we visit our site, we have a link that always links back to the home page. Now that our site has content and a menu system, it's time to choose a theme. This can be accessed from the shortcut link here, or from Dashboard, Appearance, and Themes. WordPress comes with the 2015, 2014, and 2013 themes pre-installed, but there are literally thousands of other themes to choose from. To get to them, you just click Add New, and then browse from the Themes gallery. As you can see, there are many themes to choose from. Once you find a theme that you think is interesting, you can click Preview to see what it might look like. This gives you an idea of what the menu system looks like and what the page layouts look like. Once you find a theme that you like, you can hover over it and click Install. The installation process will take several seconds, but when it's finished, you'll get a successfully installed message, like this one. After that, you can return to the theme selector and click Activate to activate your theme. Then we can visit our site and see what it looks like. From here, it's a matter of customization, which can be accessed from the Customize menu. You may have noticed that our menu system doesn't look quite like it should, but this can be corrected by going to Menus, selecting Menu Locations, and Main Menu. Now it looks like we expected it to. The Customize menu has a lot of options, but these options can vary depending on what theme you have chosen. Well, let's take a look at a few. If we go to Site Identity, we can change the name of our site. we save it, we see that the name changes up here. We can also take the tagline out altogether if we want to. We'll save it again. Then we'll go back. The theme options will be theme specific options. And from here you can change a lot of different things, including the social media buttons. It'll just take some exploration of your chosen theme to find out what types of things you can change. Unfortunately, there isn't time in this tutorial to go through the whole customization process. That would be another tutorial in and of itself. But we have come a long way in a very short time, and the site is shaping up to have a much more modern look and feel than its Google Sites counterpart. I hope this video has been helpful and served as a good introduction to WordPress. I would like to give a very special thanks to the Etowah Carnegie Library for allowing me to use their content in the making of this tutorial. Until next time, thank you for watching.